Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain mathematics topic statistics. See here, overall all formulas I have given here. Average, average of ungrouped data and grouped data, and mean formula x bar is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi by small n means that sum of observations by number of observations. Median m is equals to, see here, if number of observations n is equal to even, then m is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 n by 2 nth plus n by 2 plus 1 nth term. Okay, if number of observations n is equal to odd, then m is equals to n plus 1 by 2 nth term. Mode z is equals to the most frequency occurred observations. Grouped data, see here, grouped data, mean x bar, direct method, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, assumed mean method, deviation method, that is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Step deviation method formula, a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Mode z is equals to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus ef by f into h. Median by Ogue curve. Okay, next slide. See, completed areas are common mistaken. See, learning the formula with able to explain each term in it, choosing suitable assumed mean, finding median class, understanding where need to change inclusive classes to exclusion classes, taking points in Ogue curve for lesser than and greater than, and drawing graph, writing ascending order or descending order of given observations in median for ungrouped data. Keywords: raw data, organization of data, grouped and ungrouped data, class interval or class wing, class height, exclusive inclusive class, class mark, median class, model class, assumed mean, Ogue curve. Next, see, academic standard wise questions, problem solving, find the median and mean of 1 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 1 by 2, 7 by 2. Find the mode of 14, 15, 16, 17, 15, 14, 13, 17, 15. Connections. Those are the problem solving questions. Now connection type questions, find the mode of log 2, log 8 base 2, log 27 base 3, log 100 base 10, log 5 base 5. Next, find the mean of LCM and HCF of 8, 10, 12. Find the mean of zeros of P of x is equal to x cube minus 4x. Next, communication type questions. Write the formula for mean, median, and explain each term it. Next, it the median of 2 by 10, x by 5, x by 7, x by 9, x by 2 is 14. Then find x value. Next, third one, scores of 20 students in a test tabulated as follows. Marks 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this given. A number of students 1, 6, 7, 4, 2. Find the mean score of students. Okay, find the mean score of the student. Next, fourth section, visualization and representation. Sorry for the disturbance. These are the question, visualization and representation, this question. Okay, I am getting calls from the students, so once check the questions. I am not reading, just I am showing you solutions also there. See, if unable to understand, you can keep your doubts in the comment section, then I will explain. These are the solutions. 4 mark questions.